Alright, it is time for me to make my marks on the fender piece so I can get this thing popped out of the mold and cut to shape. Let's shape! Woo! Alright, I got my mark going all the way down, and on the inside, now it's time to pop this baby out. This is the fun part. There she is. That's her. That's gonna be the reinforcement. Yeah, baby. For all you guys that were saying there's gonna be a mechanical lock, don't disrespect me. I know what I'm doing. I've done this. That's gonna hold up a fender on the car. Or, well, you know, I keep calling it a fender, and yeah, obviously, technically it's a fender, but also technically, it's not. One piece done. Time to do the other side. Ta-da! Look at her. She's just marvelous. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at it. Now it is time to cut these babies into their inevitable shapes. Alright, I just cut a dowel at the 2-inch mark, and now I'm just gonna take this, hold this like so, and I'm gonna go around from right where the edge is going to be, back. Now we have our cut mark. Alright, now that I'm cleaned off and not covered in fiberglass from head to toe, I'm going to re-get covered in some fiberglass, probably from at least ankle down, I would say. I have to sand in here because now I got to do some reinforcements on this inner lip all the way down in here. So I'm going to do that in some carbon because I want to strengthen that up. And that way when I cut this, it's not going to separate the two halves because both of these are joined at this point. Let's get sanding. What the heck are you doing here?
Is there anywhere clean in here?
We got one done. I'm gonna pretend like I'm holding a cake popping without her. Watch how she reacts. Now we can put a coat of resin in here and then carbon overlay in all this in here to fill up that gap.